Have you ever seen this crochet stitch? Looks a lot like knitting, but it's really crochet. So let me show you how you do this. Start with a slip knot and work your foundation chain. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Chain one and turn. Now normally in a single crochet, for ribbing, you work in the back side of the stitch. We're not going to do that. We're going to work into these loops below the single crochet. There's the top of the stitch. I'm going to move that away. I'm going to work into these side loops. There's the top. Turn it over into the side loop below the single crochet. At the end of the row, that side loop is there, and I'm going to work my last single crochet in that stitch, like that. Chain one and turn. There's the top of the stitch. There's the stitch we're going to work into. Move that aside and work in that loop under the single crochet. And I have one here that I've worked earlier, and there you go. That looks a lot like knitting, but it's really crochet. And it looks exactly the same from the other side, so it's reversible. And there you go, that's how easy it is to crochet this knit look ribbing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.